pots, we have two pans. We have this. This is the biggest one. Yeah. Yeah, so we have this big pan. We can use this to prepare like some stir fry, some pancakes, and then we also have this big lid which you can use for this big pan, and then you can also use it for the other big pot. Yeah, so this can be used for the two. And then you have this other one, yeah, which is medium size. So you can see this looks like around 11. That has a diameter of around 11. So you see, it's pretty nice. And guys, now let's talk about the style. We've seen how it looks like, how they look like. Aesthetically, they are very, very nice. But then health-wise, they're really also nice because when you cook with them, let me just read what comes with them. Yeah, so guys, this interior part of the pot, the granite part, is made of material that is PFOA free. That simply means that the material that is used to make these pots are not having any chemicals that can actually harm you. You know the way we use sufurias, some of these sufurias or pots that we use for cooking, some of them when you're cooking you find that there's a way the material that is used to make the pot can sometimes get and come inside your food. So if you eat it, it can cause cancer. So yeah, so simply what this information says or means is that these pots are free from that harmful chemical that might get into your food. Now, something else about these pots is you need to take good care of them when using them. So you want to use, because they are non-stick, so when using these pots, you really want to make sure that you take good care of them so that they can last you a long time. Now, to use, you don't need to use these metallic spoons like these ones. Such spoons are bad with this because they scratch the pot and they won't make them last for long. Plus, they are pricey, so you don't want to really scratch them. Yeah. So these are the kind of spoons that you want to use. You can use, these are made of plastic. You can see this. Or you can also use these silicone spoons. Yeah. You see, they won't scratch. And then another thing you need to consider when taking or using it, to take good care of them so that they last you longer, is you have to make sure that you use such sponge. Yeah, so to clean these pots, you want to use that soft part that I already told you. And when cleaning, never use an abrasive cleaner or a tool, as that will scratch and affect the surface. So it's recommended that you use a soft sponge, preferably this part here, this part, not this part. Not this. This is hard, so you want to use this part. Yeah. So use that soft sponge or even a cotton dish cloth. Now, how to maintain this pot so that they last you a lifetime? Ensure that because the non-stick surface is made of titanium diamond coating, it's recommended that the following is done to lengthen the life of the coating. So after washing the cookware, you need to wipe the surface evenly using some oil. So you need to wipe the surface using some oil every 6 months. So as soon as you buy it, like us, we'll wipe this. I wipe this first before I start using it, and then after 6 months, I'll do that again, and that will help in making this last a lifetime. So now something else. We also have these knife set steamed from royalty line. You can see royalty line, but that is the best. It's the best, guys. It will give you quality and aesthetic value and everything and class. So yeah. So we have these knife sets. So there's this. There's kuna butter knife, kuna bread knife. This is a bread knife. So Then you also have this for sharpening. Then you have these kitchen scissors. Yeah. Then you have these other smaller knives. You have this small one and this. They're really nice. Yeah, so guys, oh yeah, there's this bigger one. This is called the butcher's knife, I think. The butcher's knife for cutting big cuts of meat. Yeah. So guys, this is it. This is my kitchen haul. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked whatever I brought for you this time round. So guys, if you want to be if you want to get plugged on where to get these cooking sets, the cooking pots and the knives, please just comment down below, so that, yeah, I'm just doing hauls and knives because sometimes you don't know where to get certain items. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You learned one or two things. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below. So thank you guys. Bye. See you next time.